So today we're doing a tankless water heater install into the project house. Had the electricians put in three double pole 40 amp circuits because each one of these connections here requires a 40 amp double pole breaker. And went to go and wire up the water heater today and came across this. So they've got three of these here. Circuits to run in to the water heater to connect into here. Problem is the water heater calls for 3 8-gauge connections using copper, or you'd have to use 6 if you're using aluminum, which they did here. Use 6-gauge aluminum. But the problem is when you take all of these and bunch them together, they won't fit through the connector that goes to this through this hole. So either I need smaller wires, or I have to drill a hole or bore that hole out so that all those conductors will fit. Now you guys may have already noticed this. I started counting the conductors because it calls for 2 conductors with a ground. And here we've got 3 conductors with a ground. So then I started wondering, well, why did they run an extra conductor? What does it do? So you come out here to the breaker box and you see they doubled up on the grounds. So I've got double grounds. So either I replace the wire or I drill out the water heater. So I have to replace the wire because I'm not going to drill out the water heater, because if something goes wrong with the water heater, then I've drilled it out and I don't get warranty service on it.